Guys, I tell you, if you like bologna, go to your deli, say, I want a thick boy. I want one about this thick. There's a lady named Martha. She's at yours too. Just tell her, you want it this big, Martha. And she'll say, you got it, honey. Try it. Try it on anything. It's good groceries. That's some good groceries. Guys, look at this old thick old bologna right there. Good.
That's bologna?
That's bologna.
Bologna.
Oh, bologna. All right. But look at these bad boys. We're going to cook these.
I don't even know what to say about this. I've never seen such a bologna.
Well, it's a little bologna how big that bologna is, all right? We're going to hussy it up a little bit. A little bit of mayonnaise right onto the top.
Why?
I need a binder.
Oh.
We need a little flavor, brother.
Oh, okay.
A little flavor.
I've been toasting my bread with mayonnaise after I've been seeing you doing it.
Yeah.
And
you like it?
I mean, I don't use it as a binder. I just use it like to toast bread and stuff.
Yeah.
For like grilled cheese. It's pretty legendary.
If you want mustard, you can do mustard. Just do whatever makes your little hearts happy, okay? That's all it is. Little bootleg burger.
Okay.
I thought a little bootleg for the old bologna, all right? The old poor man's round steak. Just come on. Be kind of liberal. There we go. Got these at the local Publix, all right? Now, we are down here. Obviously, this isn't my set. If you haven't seen the open flame, guys, this thing is legit fun. What I did was, we got some logs over here and some lump charcoal. Brings coals down. So all I did was drop the front down, move those coals right over. And this little asado style, little crank, I cranked that grate down real low because we're gonna go
So we want
fast.
fast?
We want fast and hot. We want a caramelization.
All right.
Nate.
Let me see these. What'd you call them? Poor man round steak?
Poor man round steak for you.
Give me some.
Come in close, bro.
Oh,
Ready?
here we go.
Choo! Did you hear that?
Sing to me, sing to me. Wow.
It's music to my ears. We just take that and we do this other side. So that way we don't bar our fingers up, you know what I'm saying? A little bit more of that bootleg seasoning, y'all. Now, we're gonna crank her down. Let's go, baby. Woo! She's gonna be hot. She's gonna be hot.
How long were you looking for?
Like a minute. I don't have a whole lot of time. What we do have, we have a plate. We got some shreddy letty. Nate, what do you know about shreddy letty?
Too?
Publix helped me out, my girl. My girl, I think her name was Martha. God bless you, Martha. She helped me out. So, BLT, we need lettuce and we need tomato.
Well, it's bologna lettuce and tomato.
BLT. You picked up on that?
How sad is that?
Man, we are so good. We work well together.
Man, that's a nice knife. Wonder who gave you that.
I love this knife. If it could come back with me, I would, but guess what? I got all carry-ons. Arrange it nice. You may have company coming over, but it's about time we need to flip our bologna.
Take a peek.
Let's take a peek. Yeah.
Now.
So the oil inside, oil and the eggs in that mayonnaise.
How far do you go with it?
You can go as far as you want. You want a little bit more crust? Are you that crusty kind of guy?
Maybe.
Go right ahead. But if you just want it just a little bit, not as crusty, like that right there, as opposed to that, go right ahead. I like a crust on mine. We're gonna let this go. I might flip it and get a little hatch mark because I'm just feeling a little something in my heart.
Feels good.
It feels great.
It looks pretty.
It looks pretty. And it just makes me feel good. It warms my heart.
We also
gotta get our buns ready. Well, almost. Let's get our buns ready. These are big old boys. I normally like a potato roll, but they're kind of small. And Martin also makes, they call this Big Marty's. Oh, Big Marty.
It's
Big Marty
appropriate
for the
for
win.
that bologna.
That's what I thought, right? Why not have Big Marty? I was, the sesame seeds, all right, but I thought something needs
That's
to.
good looking. That's like
They are.
triple the amount of sesame seeds.
It is.
It's my kind of bun.
So we're gonna do the old Nate technique. We're gonna toast these with a little bit of mayonnaise.
No, is it the Nate technique now?
It's the Nate technique.
I appreciate you.
Don't somebody have like that smash burger technique?
CJ.
What's her name? CJ? Oh,
Bruce
okay.
Mitchell.
Oh, yeah, CJ, that's it. That's her. Yeah, I forgot, yeah. All right, we're gonna mayonnaise these up, a little bit of lubrication, and we gotta add more later because, well, that's state law in North Cackalack. All right, y'all, let's just move over here and toast them. Come with me, brother, come with me. This is a little bit cooler over here, y'all, and that's okay.
Oh, let's see.
Yeah.
Oh,
We'll give her a
come
flip.
on now.
We'll give her a flip. If you want to, come out a little bit hotter, put you some more coals over here. It's just simple as that.
Or if you want to slow down, you can bring it up.
You can leave it right
like
there.
that, yeah, or we can drop it down.
Absolutely. So,
We need teamwork this. Here, you pull the handle, I'll release it.
ready? Bring her down.
Aw, we're friends. All the way?
All the way.
All the way.
Bro.
All right.
Yep, right there. We want this thing to cook. We're gonna give this another minute or two. We're gonna pull them off and we're gonna enjoy these groceries. Look at those. That is bologna. That looks like That looks like almost like a big old burger, right?
Bologna
But it's
burger.
not. But I just pulled the wool on me. That's bologna. Let's look at our buns. They actually need a little bit more. Just a little
heat?
bit more. A little bit more heat. So guess what? We're just gonna move things over. This bologna, it's fine.
That's like quick fire smoked bologna.
Quick fire smoked bologna, yeah. You don't have to sit there and wait for
I'm a fan.
an hour or so. I'm just gonna move these over. Let's make sure I get my tops and bottoms. Don't mix them up. I'm notorious for that. That right there.
That's what you're looking for?
That's looking. I'd like for a little bit more right there, Nate. Now look at these. Woohoo! Flame kissed and all. Come
Flame
on.
kissed, I like that.
Flame kissed and all. Let's build this one, Nate, shall we? A little bit
How
more
is
mayo.
that giant piece of bologna gonna fit on that bun? I mean, it was.
You just watch.
Okay.
You just watch.
All right, I'm watching.
Watch this thing. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Look at that thing.
Wow.
Big Marty done hooked you up.
Come on now.
All right, little lettuce. Shreddy letty. Little tomato.
Always got to.
Oh,
yeah.
Right there.
He knows.
Right there. Little salt.
He knows what he's doing, ladies and gentlemen.
Little pepper. Look at this BLT, boy.
What in the what?
Come on with it.
Golly. Dang.
That, my friends, is a BLT fit for a king. I think we might be the very first.
Oh, we definitely are.
You think so?
100%.
That have cooked bologna on open flame. That's us. Me and
Some
you,
people
buddy.
went to the moon.
Me and you. Me and you.
Some people made bologna.
BLTs. BLTs, bro. We're also the very first ones to try these groceries. I'm actually gonna go a little bit more, so that way I have a little bit for you, buddy.
Appreciate you.
Cheers. Daggone, boy. Oh, poor man's round steak ain't never tasted so good. Little kiss of fire. Dang it, boys. Oh, chicken wants some too. You want it, don't you, frog leg, leghorn? What was his name? I tell you, boy. Y'all, this bologna is excellent. I love bologna in general. Try it. If you don't have open flame, get you one. I suggest it. If not, you go on your griddle, go on your grill, whatever. It's good groceries. Hey, I appreciate you watching. Appreciate you sticking by. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey. Some good bologna groceries.